This video shows that using a cognitive distributed computing model, we can implement live migration of streaming video across laptops without virtual machines, LXDs, LXCs, Docker, or any other containers. This provides a new approach to live migration, auto-scaling, and self-repair of stateful applications. Any Linux application run on any server, virtualized or not, in a cloud without changing application OS or the infrastructure. It is a state-retaining and immutable application support. No need to re-architect for the cloud. No changes to the application, OS, or the infrastructure. Immediate end-to-end service visibility and control. Service provisioning and service orchestration to assure quality of service using only the infrastructure provisioning. Eliminate infrastructure orchestration involving virtual machine or container image motion. Meta containers and managed services are used with application blueprints. They provide policy-based application management and end-to-end service control at runtime. A service control architecture overlay allows dynamic composition of workflows and policy-based workflow management. Useful for dynamic chaining of, for example, network function virtualization components in bare metal without virtual machine or container or image orchestration in distributed infrastructure. Here we show the familiar multi-core laptops and an AWS virtual machine. Here we show the details of the laptops. We have about 3 4-core and 1 8-core laptops. Here we show the cognition-infused video server in our meta container and deployed on the laptop PL004, whose IP address ended with .186. The video server in the cognitive meta container can be live migrated using either policies or with a single click. Here we show the migrated cognitive container in PL002. Next video clip shows a small clip of a movie running before and after the migration. As you can see, the live migration does not impact the video being watched. You can see the IP address change from PL004 to PL002 at the instant of migration.
Only to be guarded by the terrible beasts we call lawyers. Unlike many of my friends, I was a lucky one. By releasing me under the Creative Commons Attribution License, my makers guaranteed that I at least would be able to enjoy a long and prosperous career doing what I love best, acting. This means I am able to be here with you for as long as you want and take part in new adventures, some of which even my creators couldn't have dreamt of. My dear friends, let us come together and make sure that in the future more rather sizable white rabbits like myself will be able to jump around and be free to act for whoever and in whatever. This way future generations, your own children, can grow up together with their favorite characters. Who knows, they might even sleep better. Thank you for listening. Now where was I again? Ah, yes. Oh, you too, my Brutus. That is the question. Oh, excuse me. Hello and welcome.
The cognitive distributed computing model puts the safety and survival of application or the service first and allows sectionalizing, isolation, diagnosis, and fixing of the errors at leisure. It works with any infrastructure Docker, LXC containers, OpenStack, bare metal operating system, etc. However, it also works with pure bare metal. It uses only basic local operating system services and is decoupled from the infrastructure management systems for service orchestration. In a sense, we are eliminating infrastructure orchestration in order to maintain the application or service lifecycle quality of service.